Bruce, it's so great to see you and the Microchip team here at the RISC-V Summit.
Thank you very much, Calista. It's great to be here again. What a great event.
Yeah, so tell me, what is Microchip's theme for the event this year?
Well, with the great advancement of compute and automation and the advent of intelligent technology, this great transformation of where the edge is moving to the intelligent edge. And along with that, the responsibility of security at the edge and how we really have to build a hardware security on up at the edge.
So tell me, how has the RISC-V ISA really influenced your technology and roadmap?
So the context of when we were looking at putting in a microprocessing subsystem into our FPGA, the possibility of, well, how do we expand our market space? How do we add the most value we possibly can into our customers? And we were looking for an architecture that would allow us to have that flexibility, and we were having a hard time finding it in the open market. So that was the benefit and the reason we chose RISC-V.
During your keynote, you mentioned specifically cybersecurity is not enough. Tell us a little bit more.
Cybersecurity is not enough. You have to have physical security. You have to make sure that you have a root of trust as you bring your system up. You have to maintain that throughout the process. When you're at the edge, you really need to make sure that you're retaining the protection of your intellectual property that's represented there. And how are you ensuring that yourself and your client's data is protected? And that really has to be the root first. That has to be how you build up from that.
Security is only getting more robust.
Absolutely.
So tell us, what's next? What lies ahead for Microchip FPGAs and RISC-V?
Well, you know, we were very excited that today, or yesterday, we actually were awarded, and the BeagleBoard was awarded the product of the summit for boards. And it's the BeagleBoard 5 Fire, which is really based on the PolarFire SoC architectures. We also announced that we're soon entering into our early access program for our next generation PolarFire 2 architectures. And we're totally redesigned our software design environment of PolarFire Studio. And we're starting that EAP early access process in the next 90 days. We also announced that Microchip is entering into the 64-bit standalone NPU market, and inclusive of RISC-V architectures. So we're, again, stay tuned for later this spring for us to talk in much more detail about those capabilities.
So it's Microchip for the masses.
Microchip for the masses is a great way of phrasing that.
I love it. Thank you.
Thank you so much.